welcome back to another fashion haul video on my channel. Now, a lot of you had requested fun ethnic wear, and since festive season is here or is just around the corner, I thought why not pick out a couple of my favorites from the website. Of course, being Myntra, I always end up shopping from Myntra. So, आप जितने भी haul videos usually देखोगे मेरे channel पे, they will be from Myntra. But I will try and expand my horizons and try out other websites as well. But for now, all of these sharara sets, kurta sets are from Myntra. All of them are in a set of 3 except one, I think, वो 2 के set में. But of course, I'm going to share all the details with you guys, the sizes, the prices that I got it on, and the discount, the current discount as well. So everything will be on the screen in case I miss out to tell you guys verbally. And just to let you guys know, I do spend a lot of time on the website before I shortlist these clothes. So turns out all of them are actually really nice. And of course, I will be giving you my honest opinion in any case. So let's get started right away with the video. Starting off with the first one, this one is a sharara set. It comes with the kurta, the sharara and a dupatta. So it is a 3-piece set for just rupees 1399, which I think is a steal, and it is cotton, so it's very comfortable. I found it extremely comfortable to wear. For my height, I did feel like the sharara was a little short for my height. I'm 5'7", almost 5'7", but I really like the quality, and I think it's a very nice casual festive wear sort of an outfit. And I paired it with these silver earrings, which I'm actually wearing throughout the video. I really like this set. In fact, I'm going to drop all the product links in the description box. This was in the size small. Everything is in the size small, and the prices you will see on the screen. The next set that I picked up was again a sharara set, but the material is really soft. It is some sort of a cotton blend, and I really like the design as well, and the color. It is like powder blue, and it's very like soothing to the eyes. It's a very nice, elegant looking color. Again, it comes with a sharara, a kurta and a dupatta. This is from the brand called Waba. The MRP for this is almost 4,000 rupees, but I got it for 1279 only, and currently I think it is on 60% off, so about 1500 rupees. All of these are great buys if you pick them up right now. Now, before I move on to the rest of the haul, I quickly wanted to answer this question that a lot of you guys have been asking me, and that is about my hair care regime. Honestly, it does keep changing, but to tell you guys a little bit about my hair type, I'm not going to go too much into detail in this video. I do have a little bit of dry and frizzy type of hair, which I have mentioned a couple of times in my earlier videos as well. And I do end up applying a lot of heat to my hair because of styling in shoots that I tend to do a lot, of course, because of my job, which is why my hair always needs that extra care, nourishment and damage repair. In fact, these days I've been trying out the Dove hair masks, and the one that I use is the Dove Intense Damage Repair. They also have another variant which is called the Healthy Ritual for Strengthening Hair, but this one is perfect for my hair type that is a little bit damaged, a little bit frizzy, and a little bit dry. This one is perfect for me. It helps refresh the scalp, repairs damaged hair strands, and also helps revive dull hair and makes it soft and smooth. Like, really it does. I've actually used it just recently before shooting this video. So the hair mask that I use contains 1/4 moisturizing cream and keratin repair actives, which helps prevent damage with 2-way care. It helps repair signs of damage while nourishing strands to help them withstand damage before it even happens. It's very simple to use. All you have to do is apply it after you shampoo your hair for 5 minutes and then just rinse it off. I have definitely felt the change in my hair texture. Visibly, it does look smoother and it feels softer as well. In case you guys also want to try it out, I'm going to link it down below for you guys. Both of these variants are very gentle on your scalp, on your hair, so you can use them even twice a week. Now let's move on with the rest of the haul. The next outfit is actually the one that I'm wearing, and it is a kurta with dhoti pants. I thought it'd be something different to try. I have never tried dhoti pants or bought them for myself, but I think it's a really nice, different looking outfit for your ethnic festival season. And I really like the hot pink color. It's really bright. It's a very funky, quirky print as well on the kurta. So I absolutely highly recommend it. And it is just for rupees 1039 after discount. This is from the brand called Anook, which is actually a pretty good brand. So I can vouch for their quality. I did feel like a lot of these shararas were shorter for me. Even the dhoti pants, I slightly feel like they're shorter for my height. So just take care of that if you are, a little bit taller. The next set is also a Sharara set, and the MRP for this was about 6,000 rupees, but you can get it for only 1859 rupees, which I think is a steal. Although I feel like it's a very plain set, the main hero of this outfit is actually the kurta, which is made of pure cotton, and the color is obviously really pretty. It's a really nice pink with some red, green and orange on it, so it's a very nice bright color that you can pair with your Sharara set. The rest of it is very simple, so I'd recommend going really heavy on the jewelry, like wear heavier earrings or bangles, and make sure you're well put together with accessories and any other jewelry that you'd want to wear. The Sharara in this outfit was perfect for me. I didn't feel like it was too short. If anything, it might be slightly longer, but if I wear heels with it, it would be perfect for me. Now moving on, again I picked up a kurta set. This has palazzo pants and a long anarkali type of a kurta. It's got sort of like heavy print going on the kurta, and comes with the dupatta as well. Again, a 3-piece set from the brand Libas, and the MRP for this was 3599, but you can get it only for rupees 1400. So the discounts are really good on Myntra right now. I'd suggest pairing it with some really nice silver jewelry, and the material, like I said, is very comfortable to wear. The color is also really nice. It's a really nice royal blue. Highly recommend this one as well. Now the last outfit set in this haul is a gota patti floral skirt with a kurta. This is like a short kurta. The fitting, however, I did feel like was a little loose for me. I don't know if it's supposed to look like this, but it didn't flatter my body type completely like I would have expected it to. But the skirt is really nice. It's very florally, perfect for the festive season, and I love the gota patti work on it. It also comes with a dupatta, which you can wear it the way you'd like. Dupattas are something that I'm always confused as to how to wear them. Sometimes I feel like it's such a pain to carry around, but if you style them properly, they actually look really pretty. You can skip the dupatta completely if you'd like. That is also an option. In fact, with most of the outfits, you can skip the dupatta if you'd like. And the MRP for this was 4399, but it is at like about 60% off, so you can get it at 1500 rupees only. This entire haul has been so affordable. So if you are looking at budget friendly ethnic wear that can last you long, these brands, I don't know if I mentioned this was from Libas. So like I was saying, all these brands, Anouk, Libas, Waba, these give you really good quality clothes. So I would highly recommend that you pick some of these for yourself in case you are on the lookout for shopping ethnic wear. And this almost wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope you guys will end up picking up something for yourself, because I really do spend so much time on the Myntra website going through thousands and thousands of outfits and picking up these few 5-6 that I think will not disappoint and will look nice and trendy and will be affordable as well for most of you guys. So that's it for now. I hope you guys will hit the like, share, subscribe button. All the links will be down below as usual, and I will see you guys in my next video.